Hello friends, Dr. Taranjit Kaur this side. I'm a functional dentist and an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. I'm sending you this video as an invitation to join me on the forthcoming camp on 24th of May, which I am conducting in collaboration with my friend Dr. Sasmit Lotlekar, who is an interventional spine and pain physician. Dr. Lotlekar and myself, we would be jointly conducting this camp for free for patients who are suffering from various forms of pains. For example, jaw pain, grinding disorders of the teeth, clicking or irritating noises in the ear and or coming from your jaw pains or jaw joints. We would be looking into neck pains, back pains, shoulder pains, or any form of pain which is related to diabetes, or if you have been diagnosed with fibromyalgia. So basically we will be covering the complete spectrum of pain for our patients, and this whole consultations would be done for free of charge. At the same time, we have also invited some other colleagues from other specialities with us. Dr. Jolene Fernandez, who is a diet specialist or a nutritional therapist, she would be joining us to discuss the role of gut health in the pain and how we can improve the one so that the other benefits. At the same time, we have also invited our physiotherapist, Dr. Kathleen Barreto, and she would also be discussing with our patients about the role of correct posture, and she would also advise some physiotherapy exercises to our patients. So overall, it's a holistic experience for our patients, one of its kind, being done for the first time in Margao, and I heartily invite you all to join me on this campaign and embark on the journey of pain-free future. Thank you so much. Looking forward to this camp. Hope you come soon. Thank you.